chemical properties of nitric acid. Now I'll tell you what is aqua regia. Too important. Mixture of concentrated nitric acid 1 part and concentrated hydrochloric acid 3 parts by volume is known as aqua regia. Now we know nitric acid oxidizes HCl by hydrochloric acid to chlorine. अब जो chlorine liberated होंगे in the nascent form, it reacts with gold or platinum, forming the respectable soluble higher chloride. So HNO3 1 part, HCl 3 parts will lead to, if they are combined, if they are mixed concentrated form में, they will lead to the formation of aqua regia, because तुरंत nitric acid will oxidize the hydrochloric acid to chlorine and this newly born chlorine AJ, so it leads to water plus nitrosyl chloride, that is NOCl, and nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine is very useful because it acts with gold and platinum in order to give their respective chloride. So that's the use of aqua regia. Now, what do you mean by the passivity of nitric acid? Now, pure concentrated nitric acid, by fuming jeta nitric acid, it renders iron passive. Passivity matlab, it is exhibited by certain metals under condition in which chemical activity is expected, but they are not showing any chemical activity. That is chemical passivity. So iron and aluminium, they are the two which are rendered passive due to the formation. Why they are rendered passive due to the nitric acid? Because they lead to the formation of a thin oxide coating ho jata hai on the surface of the metal of both iron and aluminium, which prevents any further reaction. That is known as passivity. Now, if oxide layer ko remove kar do either mechanically or chemically, then the metal again will become active. So we did two things, passivity and aqua regia. And I want to tell you just one thing. Dilute nitric acid, it reacts with copper, zinc, iron vagera, and give their oxidized product plus water and nitric oxide too. But when they are in their concentrated form, they will lead to not nitric oxide, NO9, it will lead to nitrogen dioxide. So concentrated form in nitric acid, if reacts with copper, zinc and iron, they will lead to the formation of the oxidized product plus water plus nitrogen dioxide, not nitric oxide. That is the difference.